Rain by Sam Usher. There's a penguin. Rain. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to get outside. Rain. Granddad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors, but I said I like going out in the rain. You can do catching raindrops, splashing in puddles, and looking at everything upside down. But Granddad said, let's wait for the rain to stop. It rains so hard. So we waited and waited. But did the rain stop? No. So I said, Granddad, I'd like to go on a voyage with the sea monsters. And Granddad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did the rain stop? No! Look at the boy. So we waited some more, and Granddad got on with his writing. I said, Granddad, I'd like to visit the floating city with a fancy dress acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. And Granddad said, quick, let's go. We have to catch the post. But had the rain stopped? Yes, look. The rain stops. There wasn't a moment to lose, so we made our preparations and stepped outside. It was time for a voyage at last. They look like upside down. Granddad made me captain. It started to rain again. So we did catching raindrops. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. It rains. And Granddad let me post his important letter. Back on dry land with warm socks and hot chocolate, Granddad said, you see, the very best things are always worth waiting for. And I agreed. I hope it rains again tomorrow. The end. Who else is waiting for rain?